Good morning, one and all. My name is Sunana. I am from Aman Bhalla Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today topic is computer network types. So computer network is a group of computers linked to each others that enable a computer to communicate with another computer and share the resources, data and applications. The computer network can be categorized by their size. Okay, the computer network is mainly four types of. First one is a LAN, second one is a PAN, third one is a MAN, and fourth one is a WAN. LAN is standby local area network, PAN is standby personal area network, MAN is metropolitan area network, and WAN is wide area network. So first is LAN, local area network. A local area network is a group of computers connected to each other in a small area such as a building, office, etc. LAN is used for connecting a two or more personal computer through the communication media such as a twisted pair, coaxial cable, so on, etc. It is a less costly uh, network. The hardware such as a hub, network adapter and Ethernet cables. The data is transferred at an extremely faster rather than local area faster rate in the local area network. The local area network is provided high speed. So next one is a PAN. PAN is a personal area network. A personal area network is the network arranged within an individual person, typically within the range of 100 meter. Personal network is used to connecting a computer devices of personal use known as the personal area network. Personal area network is covers an area of 30 feet. Okay. There are two types of personal area network. One is a wide area network and second is wireless. Wireless personal area network is developed is simple using the wireless technology such as a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth is a low range network. Wide personal area network is created by using the USB cables. Okay. For example, a personal area network is a body area network, offline network, a small home office. So body area network is a network to move with a person. For example, mobile network moves within person. Suppose person establish a network connections to create the connections another devices share the information. Offline network is created inside the home. It is also known as the home network. The network is designed to integrate the devices such as a printer, computer, televisions, etc. Small home office. It is used to connect a variety of the devices to internet and corporate network using the VPN. So next one is a metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network is a network that covered a large geographical area by interconnecting a different LAN. Government agencies use a MAN to connect citizens and provide the private industry. In MAN, various LAN are connected to each through telephone exchange line. It is a high range of local area network. So uses of metropolitan area network is communication between the bank in a city. It is can the airline reservations. It can use for college within a city. It can be used communication in the military. Next is WAN. WAN is a wide area network. A wide area network that extend over the large geographical areas such as a state or countries. Wide area network is a quite bigger than LAN. Wide area network is not limited to a single location, but it span over the large geographical area through the telephone lines, fiber optical cables and satellite links. The internet is one of the biggest WAN is world. The WAN area is widely used to field a business, government and education. For example of wide area network is a mobile broadband. 4G network is widely used across a region or country. Private network, a bank provides a private network that connects a 44 offices. Network is made using the telephone lease line provided in the telephone companies. Advantages of wide area network is first one is a geographical area, next one is a satellized area, get up files, exchange messages, sharing the software and resources, global business and high bandwidth. Geographically area is a wide network provides a large area. Suppose the branch of our office is the different city and we can connect them through the WAN. Internet provide the leased line through which we can connect another branch. Centralize data in case the WAN network data is centralized. We do need by the emails files up to servers. Get up to file. Software companies work the live server. Therefore, a programmers get up to update files within second. Exchange messages. In WAN network, messages are transmitted fast. The web applications like a Facebook, WhatsApp, Skype allows to communication with friend. Sharing of resources and software. In WAN network, we can share the software and other resources like a hardware drive, RAM. Global business, we can do a business over the internet globally. Disadvantages of wide area network is a security issue, need firewalls, antivirus software, high speed cost, troubleshoot problem. First one is a security issue. The WAN network is more security issues as compared to LAN and MAN. Okay, so need firewalls and antiviruses. Data is transferred on the internet which can be changed, hacked by the hackers, so the firewalls need to use. Okay, so high setup cost is installation cost of the WAN network is high. It is involves to purchasing a router and switches. Troubleshooting problem, it covers a large area as fixing the problem is difficulty. Okay.